acting SEC Chair Mark Uyeda dropped the Ripple case. The continuous legal dispute between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has sparked extensive conjecture regarding the possibility of reaching an agreement. Recent events that have transpired seem to indicate that the conclusion of this particular matter might be drawing near sooner than initially anticipated, as certain individuals are highlighting significant indicators that could potentially lead to a resolution. One factor that is contributing to the increase in speculation is the disclosure that Brad Garlinghouse, the chief executive officer of Ripple, has engaged in direct conversations with President Donald Trump concerning XRP as a potential reserve digital asset for the United States. Although it is not clear whether XRP will actually become a national reserve asset, the mere fact that conversations regarding this possibility are taking place is considered a significant advancement in this regard. The recent elimination of the Ripple lawsuit from the Securities and Exchange Commission's official website is currently a topic of widespread discussion and speculation. While this particular action has given rise to speculations regarding a potential resolution in the near future, professionals advise against attaching excessive significance to it. Sherry, a highly respected authority within the XRP community, made a statement indicating that the Securities and Exchange Commission did not take any action in relation to the case. It has indeed been determined and is currently included in the category of award claims. When a user inquired as to the reason behind acting chairman Mark Uyeda's delay in dropping the case, she elaborated that it would be considered atypical for an acting chairperson of the Securities and Exchange Commission to dismiss a prominent case such as the one involving Ripple. In the usual course of events, it is the designated chairman who takes charge of managing these significant cases. In most cases of this magnitude, they are typically handled by the chairman in question. She mentioned that Atkins is expected to receive approval from the Senate sometime in April. XRP is currently displaying a structure that appears to be quite promising in the near future, as the price is reacting positively to important levels of support. Following a phase of consolidation, the chart indicates a robustly positive configuration that has been gradually forming over the past few days and weeks. The response of the market to these areas of support indicates the possibility of a forthcoming upward movement in prices. At the present moment of scripting this text, the value of XRP stands at a level lower than $3.10. Experiencing a decrease of over 1% within the previous 24-hour period. Following a slight retreat in the middle of January, XRP experienced a decline and entered a zone of support ranging from $2.52 to $2.68. Although there was no immediate upward breakout in the market, it is essential to note that this range still holds significant importance in terms of predicting the subsequent direction of movement. As long as the price remains higher than the support zone, it indicates that the market is acknowledging and adhering to the existing boundaries, which could potentially lead to a recovery taking place. In order to verify that the low point has been set and Wave 2 has finished its course, XRP must maintain its current low level, which is approximately $2.65. If this level manages to remain stable, XRP could potentially experience a market upsurge towards the price range of $4.20 to $5. It is of significant importance to highlight that the second wave represents a corrective retracement, and it is widely expected by experts that there will be a resumption of the prevailing trend following this particular stage. In order to receive a solid confirmation that the upward trend is continuing, XRP must successfully surpass important levels of resistance. The initial obstacle that needs to be overcome is a breakthrough above the level of $3.21, which should be succeeded by a subsequent upward movement beyond the threshold of $3.40. As long as these levels are not exceeded, the market will continue to stay within a certain range, and there is still a chance that the support zone ranging from $2.76 to $2.97 might be revisited. In the event that XRP breaches the support level at $2.76, there is a likelihood of a more extensive corrective pattern emerging, potentially resulting in a downward movement towards the $2.52 mark once more. XRP has continued to be a significant asset for numerous investors, with certain individuals setting their sights on lofty and ambitious price objectives. The crypto analyst known as Dustib Crypto News provided detailed observations regarding the market trends of XRP, delving into aspects such as investor sentiment, psychological factors influencing trading decisions, and patterns observed in past market cycles. In spite of the changing attitudes towards it, XRP has proven to be resilient, holding onto robust levels of support and displaying indications of accumulation over the long run. As per the analyst's assessment, XRP has been an essential component of his investment portfolio for an extended period of time, with reference to its significant capacity for expansion and development. He made a point of mentioning that the value of XRP experienced a significant increase, rising swiftly from approximately 50 cents to well above $3, thus emphasizing the cryptocurrency's track record of sudden and substantial price fluctuations. A temporary level of assistance has become apparent in the price range of $2.60 to $2.70, indicating a basis for potential additional upward momentum in the future. The analyst also made note of the decreasing level of search interest in XRP, even in the face of stable or increasing prices, interpreting this phenomenon as a positive divergence in the market sentiment. According to his perspective, a decrease in the number of searches suggests that short-term traders are exiting the market, whereas long-term investors are persistently amassing assets. The analyst specializing in cryptocurrencies delineated a significant disparity between individuals who hold onto their investments for extended periods of time and those who engage in speculative trading for short-term gains. A beschrieb die Kerninvestoren von XRP als eerst weiterstandsfig, die sich selten dazu entschließen, ihr besten in Zeiten des Abschwungs zu verkaufen. On the other hand, newcomers frequently tend to make purchases amidst periods of heightened excitement, and then sell off their investments when prices do not live up to their initial expectations. He elaborated that numerous traders fail to capture substantial gains over an extended period due to their premature selling decisions. He placed great emphasis on the fact that throughout history, the act of strategically purchasing assets during periods of market decline has consistently resulted in financial gains over time. Over the past few weeks, XRP has outperformed numerous other cryptocurrencies, even though it has been lagging behind Bitcoin in the past few years. The analyst highlighted the fact that this asset is positioned as one of the top performers among the top 10 assets, and possibly even among the top 20 assets, underscoring its status as one of the assets that has experienced significant gains. The analyst, however, put forth the argument that the current trends show significant differences. The XRP bull market that occurred before lasted for a mere duration of 24 days, whereas the ongoing cycle has persisted for almost 90 days. He holds the opinion that the current bullish sentiment is still ongoing, and he is of the belief that the cycle has not yet reached its conclusion.